Hey, what's going on? This is John Anthony MacGyver coming to you from Raincast Radio, doing an unboxing of the Soundblaster K3. Now, I ordered this from Amazon about 5 days ago. Nobody sent this to me for free for review. I bought this because I had the Soundblaster R3 and I'm on my third one. And after 2 years, it seems that it don't want to work no more. The cord becomes faulty. So I'm doing an unboxing of this product, Soundblaster K3 Plus, and there was many reviews online. Didn't really see an unboxing. So here we go. This is the box. I'll read what it says. The perfect device for content creation. Made for mixing, use on mobile phones and computers. Turn the world into your stage and use it to produce studio-like sound for live streaming and live recording on your favorite mobile apps, social media platforms, or output for audio mix of pair of speakers for some in-house karaoke sessions, which I've been doing karaoke in the house and live radio for 20 years. So maybe 22 years, since 1998. The possibilities are endless. Hooked up 2 or more devices for an additional output. Calibrate with other Sound Blasters K3 owners. Multiple jams. Minimum requirements. Intel Core 2 Duo or AMD. Equivalent processor 2.8 or faster. Microsoft Windows 10 and above. 1 gig of RAM. USB 2.0, USB 3.0. For mobile devices, you must have iOS or Android devices. Okay? So here we go. I'm unboxing it. Comes with USB cord, okay, which hooks right into the computer. Some kind of microphone, cell phone. This is for your cell phone jack. You plug that into your cell phone for your mobile device, which is a very good thing. I like that. It comes with some cellophane stuff. And that's about it for cords. Okay? And it comes up. So here goes the unit itself. Comes with instructions. And there goes the unit itself. It does not come with a power cord. You do not need a power cord to power this unit. Like I said, this was the unboxing of the K3. So this is oh yeah, okay. I don't want to end it here. So don't think you're gonna get this product and you're gonna be able to plug your regular speakers, or if you got a mic like mine, because I only have a little jack you plug into the computer on my microphone, because Soundblaster R3 does not have 1/4-inch jacks to it. So what I did was, I went to my local electronics store. I didn't know that they were open because of this COVID-19, but I went out and I got some XRL cables right there, and I also went out and got these cords right here. Now this is for my microphone. Okay, that's for the speakers. I got 2 of them. That is converter, so I can plug my regular PC speakers into it. PC headphones. This is an XRL converter. Okay? This is for that microphone up there that I'm talking to you right now on. Okay? I like to keep the same format. So this has 2 microphones. You can hook them up. That'll come in handy. This is the guitar microphone. I have an acoustic guitar over here I just bought. So, and that's a 1/4-inch jack. Alright, so this is John Anthony MacGyver, Raincast Radio, signing out. Have a wonderful day. Night, evening, wherever you are.